You know, industrial automation processes, one major challenge is integration. It's typical to have machinery from multiple different vendors and machine controls from multiple different vendors as well. So if you have a Heidenhain or a Fanuc control or an Omron control, often you have a situation where compartmentalized knowledge of experts that know one system but not the other. The holy grail, of course, is to integrate your entire production process under one umbrella of a single platform and a single piece of software. I'm with Atef Masoud. He's Automation Engineering Manager for Omron Automation Americas. Atef, I understand that you have a platform here which addresses that problem of getting everything into one place.
The core technology of the SysMag platform, it's a centralized controller. It has built-in EtherCAT and Ethernet IP, and we're using both network as an open network, so customers can add different devices. We use this EtherCAT for all real-time devices like servo, high-speed I/O. It has a jitter less than 1 microsecond. A lot of customers like also Ethernet IP for some devices or controller communication or to talk with the HMI. So what we're offering with the SysMag platform for a customer to control the complete automation line. Because on the SysMag platform, I can have discrete I/O, analog I/O, temperature control, I can control servo, I can control AC drives, but in addition, I can configure and set up vision and have vision on EtherCAT or vision and Ethernet. I can also integrate safety, which is important for every machine to have safety integrated. In addition, the most unique feature is we can do all the development, all the troubleshooting, all the debugging using one software called SysMag Studio. So it's the same software. I can commission the network, tune the servo, save parameters. I can also use the same software to develop the HMI application, to develop my safety. And more recently, we have 19 function blocks to control an industrial robot like the one you see. So it makes it easy for the customer to have one platform that can integrate the whole automation. And it makes it very easy to build expertise and exchange ideas for overall equipment.
Atef, I see a common problem in factory automation is that a line is integrated and it works well.
Yes.
Now a new vendor comes in and they replace one unit, one module, perhaps a new pick-and-place robot, for example. The production manager resists the change.
Yes.
They say that change will spoil a perfectly running operation, and we can't afford the downtime while we get it up and running.
Yes.
Does this idea of integrating into one platform, one software, does that help that ability to modernize and upgrade?
Yes, it helps a lot because having the complete SysMag platform allow you to build a very modular machine. You can have modular safety, modular configuration, and modular devices. And I can use the same project in my development. I can disable or enable robots. I can enable or disable different servo or different axes, and I can turn down a section of the machine, do some maintenance or troubleshooting, and I can recover while the rest of the line could be continuously running in operation, in full operation.
It sounds like it could be a useful training operation as well for getting new people up to speed.
Exactly, because one of the best feature we have is you can simulate all your machine without having any hardware. So with SysMag Studio, I can run simulation, do debugging, do troubleshooting, and even trace the axis moving physically without having any hardware. Similarly, our Adapt software, also you can do complete simulation without having any hardware. Yeah, and this is really an important feature. Another important thing we have is we follow the standard. So our programming environment is IEC 61131. We follow PLC open for the motion and the safety. So we follow all the standard for EtherCAT, for Ethernet IP. So it makes it easy to integrate, to have a robust and high quality system in the field.
Atef, which industries do you anticipate would be the early adopters of this system?
We see a lot in packaging, automotive, semiconductor, high-speed assembly, a lot of pick-and-place applications, different types of applications. But the highest is probably, I would say, automotive and packaging and semiconductor are the three major areas that we see a lot of application for our SysMag platform.
Integrated, Ethernet-enabled, single platform, single software control of an entire automated industrial process, says Atef Masoud.